In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create superscript text in a document, transforming ordinary characters into neatly elevated figures. This is particularly useful for writing mathematical equations, footnotes, or any other context where a superscript is needed. Let's dive right in and see how you can easily accomplish this using your word processor. First, you need to decide on the base number you want to work with. For instance, if you're calculating a power, this is typically the larger number. In our example today, let's use the number 5 as our base. So go ahead and type the base number clearly into your document. It should sit prominently on the page to ensure it's clear and easy to read. Once you have your base number, you can move on to the next part of the equation, which is the exponent. Now, it's time to add your exponent. An exponent is usually a smaller number, and it signifies how many times you multiply the base by itself. In our case, let's use the number 3 as our exponent. So, right after your base number, type in the exponent. Space considerations are essential to keep your document tidy and legible, so make sure there's no space between the base number and the exponent you've just typed. The next step is to highlight your exponent, and this is crucial. Carefully use your cursor to click and drag over just the exponent number. Ensure you only select the exponent and not the base number. This is important because you want only the exponent to be affected by your upcoming formatting change. Once your exponent is highlighted, check to make sure it stands out, clearly showcasing that this portion is selected. With your exponent selected, you'll now navigate to your word processor's toolbar. Go to the Format menu, which is usually located at the top of your window. Clicking here opens a drop-down list of text options. Once you're in the Format menu, look for the Text option. Hover over it, and you'll see a different array of formatting selections. The one you're interested in today is called Superscript. Clicking on Superscript will transform the highlighted text into a smaller, elevated character, giving it a typical exponent appearance. Your document should now display the number 5 with a neat little exponent 3 perched right above it. This simple formatting change makes it immediately clear that you're working with a power equation. It's an effective way to convey mathematical relationships without cluttering your text. And there you have it. A straightforward way to convert ordinary text into a superscript within your document. This technique not only helps in crafting equations, but also adds clarity to any text where elevated characters are required. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips like this.